Hello! Today we'll explore the pros and cons of cultivation plants in open and closed soil types. Is a greenhouse really that harmful? And how does outdoor cultivation affect the environment? Climate. A greenhouse is a space where you can control temperature, humidity, lighting, and other factors at any time to create optimal conditions for a particular plant's growth. It protects flora from frost, hail, strong winds, rain, and other unwanted weather conditions. This way, we can get juicy fruits that love worms in the cold season, prevent the appearance of fungal diseases spread by the wind, and minimize the presence of pests. Outdoor cultivation is a very unpredictable environment where nothing depends on you. You become a hostage to the weather, constantly hoping for one or another favorable condition. Of course, you can meet the necessary needs of plants even with a bulky garden, and as a result, get natural and most importantly naturally grown fruit. Cost. Building a greenhouse and maintaining it in the future requires significant financial investments. Heating and additional lighting are electricity costs. By the way, it is necessary to adhere to permanent watering and ventilation. However, such investments make it possible to obtain a regular income from the crop throughout the year, which is perhaps the main advantage. To start growing outdoors, you don't need to invest fabulous sums of money. This is a business that can be started with even primitive tools. In addition, plants receive natural light, which reduces the need for additional lighting. Environmental impact. The construction of greenhouses and the production of necessary materials for them negatively affect the environment. However, the truth is that greenhouse cultivation allows for high yields from a smaller land area. Outdoor cultivation allows for greater use of natural resources and promotes biodiversity. It usually requires less electricity compared to greenhouses. Frequent soil cultivation can lead to erosion, loss of soil quality, and loss of organic matter. Comparing greenhouse and outdoor cultivation, it is clear that a plant that is organically grown will be more resistant and hardy. It will easily overcome diseases and resist pests, and it will simply taste better. Which cultivation option will you choose? Write your answer in the comments. Share this information with your friends. Support our content with likes and comments. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss us. See you soon!